Hello everyone. Martin Luther, a German monk and theologian, played a pivotal role in the Protestant Reformation, a religious movement that challenged the authority of the Catholic Church and led to the formation of new Christian denominations. The Indulgences controversy, sale of indulgences. In the early 16th century, the Catholic Church was selling indulgences, which were believed to reduce the time spent in purgatory after death. These sales were often used to fund church projects, such as the rebuilding of St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. Luther's protests. Luther objected to the sale of indulgences, arguing that salvation could not be earned through money or good works but only through faith in Jesus Christ. He wrote the famous 95 Theses in 1517, outlining his criticisms of the church's practices. Excommunication. Luther's theses were widely circulated and sparked a religious revolution. The Catholic Church condemned his teachings and excommunicated him in 1521. Early life. Luther was born in Eilborn, Saxony, now Germany, to Hans and Margareta Luther. His father was a copper miner and smelter. Luther's parents instilled in him a strong faith and encouraged his education. Luther attended the University of Erfurt, where he studied philosophy, law, and theology. In 1505, he entered the Augustinian monastery in Erfurt, seeking spiritual fulfillment. Monastic life. As a monk, Luther struggled with guilt and doubt. He became increasingly dissatisfied with the Catholic Church's emphasis on rituals and indulgences. Luther's superior, Johann von Staupitz, encouraged him to pursue doctoral studies in theology. The 95 Theses. On October 31, 1517, Luther posted his 95 Theses on the door of the Wittenberg Castle Church, criticizing the sale of indulgences. This act sparked widespread debate and marked the beginning of the Protestant Reformation. The Protestant Reformation. Spread of Lutheranism. Despite the Church's opposition, Luther's ideas gained widespread support, particularly in Germany. He translated the Bible into German, making it accessible to a wider audience. Formation of new denominations. Luther's teachings inspired the formation of new Protestant denominations, including Lutheranism, Calvinism, and Anglicanism. Political and social implications. The Reformation had significant political and social implications, as it challenged the authority of the Catholic Church and led to religious wars across Europe. Confrontation with the Church. Luther's ideas gained popularity, but the Catholic Church condemned him as a heretic. In 1520, Pope Leo X issued the bull, Exsurge Domini, demanding Luther's recantation. Luther refused, and in 1521, he was excommunicated. Diet of Worms. Emperor Charles V summoned Luther to the Diet of Worms, where he was ordered to recant. Luther refused, stating, "Here I stand, I can do no other." This declaration cemented his reputation as a reformer. Marriage and family. Luther married Katharina von Bora, a former nun, in 1525. They had 6 children and established a household that exemplified Protestant values. Luther's legacy. Enduring influence. Martin Luther's legacy is far-reaching. His emphasis on the importance of faith and the Bible had a profound impact on Western civilization. Impact on education. Luther also played a crucial role in the development of education. He believed that all people should have access to education, and he helped establish schools and universities. Martin Luther's courageous stand against the Catholic Church and his commitment to religious reform made him a catalyst for one of the most significant events in Western history. His ideas continue to shape the Christian world and influence our understanding of faith and spirituality. Luther died on February 18, 1546, in Halle, Germany. His legacy includes inspiring the Protestant Reformation, translating the Bible into German, shaping Protestant theology, advocating for education and social justice. Books and resources. The 95 Theses, by Martin Luther. The Bondage of the Will, by Martin Luther. Here I Stand, A Life of Martin Luther, by Roland Bainton. Martin Luther, A Biography, by Martin Marty. Documentaries and films. Martin Luther, 1953. Luther, 2003. The Reformation, 2017. Martin Luther, The Man and His Legacy, 2017. Thanks for watching.